So today I want to talk about something that I think is super, super useful, especially if you're traveling or, new to a city. It's a situation that honestly makes me a little nervous sometimes.
Oh yeah? Go on, what is it?
Asking for directions. I mean, it sounds so simple, right? But when you're actually standing on a street corner and you're completely lost, it suddenly feels like the hardest thing in the world to do in English.
Totally, I get that. It's a huge confidence barrier for so many people. But you know what? It's actually one of the best ways to practice your English in a real-world situation. It's so practical.
Okay, so let's break it down then. I want to know everything for me and for everyone listening to the Serena English podcast. Where do you even begin? Let's say I see someone on the street who looks friendly. I can't just walk up and start talking, can I?
Great question. That's the first step, and it's so important to get it right. You want to be polite. The absolute best phrase, the number one go-to phrase is "excuse me." It's perfect.
Excuse me? That's it?
That's it. Simple, polite, and everyone understands it. You say "excuse me," make a little eye contact, and they'll know you want to ask something.
Okay, are there any other options?
Definitely. If you want to be extra polite, you can say "sorry to bother you" or "sorry to trouble you." It's really nice and shows you respect their time.
Oh, I like sorry to bother you. It sounds very, gentle.
It is, and people usually respond really well to it. Now, what you absolutely don't want to say is something like "hey" or "hey you." In English, that can sound a little bit rude or aggressive, you know?
Right. Okay, got it. So, excuse me is the safe bet.
Exactly. The perfect start.
Okay, so I've said excuse me. They've stopped. Now for the main part, what do I actually say to ask where a place is? My mind just goes blank.
This is the fun part. There are a few really good, really simple structures. The most basic one is "where is the" followed by the place.
Like, where is the train station?
Perfect. Or "where is the nearest supermarket?" Or "where is the British Museum?" Super easy, super clear. Everyone will understand that.
Okay, where is the I can remember that. What else? Are there other ways that sound more natural maybe?
Yes, absolutely. Another fantastic one is "how do I get to?" This one is more about the journey, the path. How do I get to the city center? It's a great question.
Oh, okay. So, where is about the location, and how do I get to is about the directions. Is that right?
You've got it. That's the little difference. Both work, but you're showing a deeper understanding with that. And another really useful one is there a near here?
When would I use that one?
You use that when you're not looking for a specific place, but a type of place. Like, "excuse me, is there a pharmacy near here?" Or "is there a cash machine around here?" You're asking if one exists in the area.
Wow, that is really useful. Okay, so I've asked the question. Now comes the part I'm actually most afraid of, understanding the answer. People talk so fast.
Right, this is the challenge, but we can prepare for it. The key is to listen for specific keywords. Don't try to understand every single word. Just listen for the important ones.
Keywords. Okay, like what? What should my ears be listening for?
First point, the basic actions. Words like turn left, turn right, and go straight ahead. These are the three most important direction verbs. If you hear left, you know you need to go left. If you hear straight, you know you just keep going forward.
Left, right, straight ahead. Okay.
Second point, listen for landmarks. People don't usually say "go 200 meters." They say things like "turn left at the traffic lights," or "go past the post office," or "it's on the corner." Traffic lights, post office, corner, these are your landmarks.
Oh, that makes so much sense. So I should look for the things they mention.
Precisely. And the third point is prepositions. These little words are your best friends. Next to, opposite, behind, between. They tell you the final location. For example, the bank is next to the pharmacy.
So they give you the exact spot?
Yes. Let's do a quick example. If someone says, go straight ahead, turn right at the traffic lights, and the museum is opposite the big park, what are the key words there?
Straight ahead, turn right, traffic lights, and opposite the park.
See, you got it. You don't need every word, just those key pieces of information. It's like putting together a puzzle.
That's a great way to think about it. But what if I listen for the keywords and I still don't understand? It feels so embarrassing to ask again.
It's not embarrassing at all. Honestly, people are happy to help. It's much better to ask again than to walk in the wrong direction for 10 minutes.
So what can I say?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Could you say that again, please? The word please is magic here. Or if the person is speaking too fast, you can ask, could you speak a little more slowly, please?
Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Oh, that's perfect. That's a really useful sentence for everything, not just directions.
It really is. Another great technique is to repeat back what you think you understood. This confirms you have the right information. You can say something like, so I turn left at the bank?
And they will say yes or no.
Exactly. Yes, that's right. Or no, turn right at the bank. It's a fantastic way to check your understanding without having them repeat the whole thing. It shows you were listening too.
That's a pro tip. I love that. Okay, so I've gotten the directions, I've confirmed them. How do I end the conversation? I can't just walk away.
The final step, say thank you. A simple thank you or thanks is fine. But if they really took their time to help you, you can say something warmer.
Like what?
You could say thank you so much or thanks a lot. And my personal favorite, if someone was really helpful, is thank you so much. That's a great help. It just makes the person feel really good, you know?
That's a great help. I'm going to remember that. This is all amazing. I feel much more confident already.
Good, because it's not as scary as it seems. Just remember the steps. First, get their attention politely.
I feel so much more prepared. Actually, would you be up for a quick role play? I can be a tourist and you can be a local. Let's see if I can put these tips into practice. Excuse me.
Second, ask your question clearly.
Where is the
Third, listen for the key words.
left, right, next to?
Fourth, check if you're not sure.
So I turn left?
And fifth, always say thank you.
This has been so helpful, Victor. Thank you. I think our listeners will feel much better about asking for directions now.
My pleasure. The most important tip is just to try. People are usually much nicer and more willing to help than you think. It's a great feeling when you successfully find a place on your own.
Absolutely. Well, that's all the time we have for today on the Serena English podcast. Join us next time for more practical English tips. We post a new episode every day, so subscribe and practice with us. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Don't get lost.